Hello, so silver has been moving down and I am looking into if this is a start of a bigger bearish move or if this is just a correction. So I'm currently tracking 4 different scenarios, and the first scenario is counting this as an ABC, a finished zigzag, and then 1 2 1 2 of a lower degree, 3 4 3 4 4 5 and so on, looking to take out this high here and continuing the trend. The other possibility is counting it exactly the same, so zigzag here, but this time a W and then ABC wave X and then wave Y, creating a double zigzag like this. Afterwards we are looking for taking out this high and continuing the trend because this is a corrective structure. The other possibility is counting it as a wave A, ABC, W, X, Y into wave B, and then C, and then moving up, creating a larger sideways structure like that. But this is also corrective structure looking for more upside. The only bearish scenario is this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, ABC, wave 2, and then 3, 4, 5, and so on, looking for way lower prices. So the probabilities for these, if we don't take out this 1, 2 is very much in play. But if we hit this line, it lowers the probability of this scenario here at 74.345. And also, if we hit this, I use it as an invalidation because then you need to count this as a 1 A, B, C like that. And this hit a target which is very uncommon for a wave B. So if we take out this, then this one ABC like that has a very low probability of being a 1 ABC and then 3 4 5 and so on. So I use this as a validation for this pure bullish scenario where we are basically finished here with this correction. So you don't want to take out this if you are a bull, and this is a warning like that this is not the highest probability scenario as well. The other here, ABCWXY, the double zigzag, this is the opposite. You don't want to take out this yellow line because if you do here at 100.255, this has a lower probability, but we didn't take out this high, so this is very much in play. We could be looking for WXY like that. So keep in mind this line is very important for this scenario, but otherwise it's perfectly viable as I mentioned. And here, the sideways AWXY into wave B, this is basically only relevant until we hit this. So minimum target flat here at 114.180. So here is when we can count with this scenario being a higher probability. Because otherwise this is not the highest probability at all. We need to hit this in order for this to be activated, so to speak. So keep that just in the back of your minds that it exists, because it's important to if we are moving up here with a 1 2 1 2 3 4 and so on, the nature of the move here in the presumably wave 3 for this scenario, if we are moving up in a ABC kind of matter, then this scenario has the higher probability. So if we have reached AWX here and we are moving up in a zigzag kind of matter here in a wave B, then this scenario takes over as the higher probability from this one. But that is a long time in advance now in the future. So it's just important to be aware of. And the only bearish scenario, so 1 2 3 4 5 1 ABC 2 here, you don't want to take out this low probability wave 2 here if you are a bear at 113.155. And also, as I mentioned in my previous video, that you can see the time here between 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Time is very important in Elliott Waves, the proportions. It's never an invalidation, it's just a guideline. But you can see here that we hit over 6 fib time for wave 4, which is very uncommon for a wave 4, lowers the probability for this scenario. Wave 2 here is perfectly fine at 3 fib time exactly. So it is only this, the time issue here and proportions, that are lowering the probabilities for this scenario. So yeah, keep in mind and look out for this line, the low probability wave 2 of a lower degree and so on. And also take note of the volume here. you basically want to have increased amount of volume when you are looking for 1 2 1 2 and then a big wave 3, because you can see here the volume here in the wave 3 is very much bigger than what we have gotten so far in our move up. So that is also an important sign to be aware of. And also this channel that we are in, we broke this, which is not what you want to do in a 1-2, because in a 1-2 you want to have 1-2 1-2 1-2 and then break this channel with a lot of increased volume. But we didn't get that. We instead broke it here, which is not ideal for a 1-2 1-2. It's not an invalidation, it's just a guideline. So yeah, take it step by step and keep in mind these lower probability lines as well. That was a short update on silver.
If you found this analysis helpful, feel free to subscribe. And you can also find Elliott Wave resources at mellantrading.com. I'll see you in the next one.